Hey guys, Barry Potts here with MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. This is the 2015 Scout 300 LXF. This boat is powered by twin Yamaha 300s. This has a Scout blue hull color. Nice leaning post here. Twin Garmin displays, Garmin VHF, your Yamaha display unit, push to start Yamahas, Lenco trim tabs. This has the Yamaha fly-by-wire throttles and Optimus power steering controls. This also has a FLIR and Garmin radar. Up the side here, you have a little locker for your gaffs, brushes. This does have an isinglass curtain enclosure as well. Scout is known for the really nice lounge seating here and huge storage underneath all this. Your V seating here. Of course, cushions go on top of that. If you're fishing, take them off. Storage underneath there. Recessed bow anchor windlass there, and this one has your Rodan trolling motor with spot lock on it for wreck fishing or fishing inshore. Here's your FLIR up there, your Garmin radar, your VHFs, and your outriggers. Windshield wiper on a full glass windscreen there. This does have a little cabin with a place to lay down, a toilet, sink as well. Really comfortable helm seating here with armrests and flip-up bolsters. In-deck fish boxes that pump overboard, and more storage for tackles, sinkers, all that stuff. Pull-out cooler as well. Again, guys, this is the 2015 Scout 300 LXF. I'm Barry Potts. I'll see you on the water.